Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the boiler gaskets, the ones located from the steam one, side glass, on top of the boilers as well as underneath the boiler of the machine. So we already tested this machine for quite a while. We have not found any leaks or anything, especially when we move the machine or nothing at all. There's no condensation going around, nothing going in. Condensation nowhere anywhere. Working perfectly fine. And the pressure of the machine, as you can see, with the pressure working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Zacconi with brand new boiler gaskets and no leaking anywhere. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.